Welcome to Canterbury Villa. We're in the wonderful village of North Curry today, and this beautiful Grade 2 listed Georgian house is on the market. You're literally walking distance of all the amenities, but we've got a beautiful home to show you around inside as well. As you walk through this beautiful period property, you are very aware of how the heritage and the character have been preserved, from working shutters to fireplaces. It's just got that lovely period feel, but it's also combined with modern comforts. What better place to be than the kitchen if we want to talk about modern, comfortable living? And this kitchen does it in style. It's beautifully fitted with integrated appliances, loads of space, plenty of light, a dining area and easy access into the back gardens. Aside from the main house, in the rear courtyard and at the back of the driveway, we've got this remarkable coach house, which just offers a wealth of possibilities. If you want storage, you've got plenty of it. But if you want a workspace and guest accommodation, it's all there. And we've still got the old cart shed, which is able to accommodate a car as well. But it is an absolutely wonderful addition to this property. First came to see this property, one of the things that really surprised me is how big the gardens are. And we're in the centre of a village. Beautiful walled gardens, privacy, sunshine. It's just got so much to offer.